Hi guys. Today we're at the house and I wanted to give you a little walkthrough of what it's looking like. So I'm going to flip you around. Right now it's just basically studs inside, so I'm going to try to explain to you as best as possible what you're looking at. But we're kind of at a fun stage, so I wanted to share what the inside looks like. So let's take a look. Okay, so we're walking up. This is the entryway. We have a porch, so this is an entry to the front door. And here is the front door. Okay, so there's a lot going on here. Let me try to take a little step back. So when you walk through the front door, you have a main entryway. And it goes full height to the ceiling. There is a walkway there to a bedroom, so that's why they have those bars. And then to the left when you walk in is my office, and I love this room, and I'll tell you why. You might already be able to see it, but it has a vaulted ceiling. I just love that. So this will have double doors into the office. There's lots of nice light in here. This is my space. And this is what I will be looking at, minus the porta potty. But just a really fun space. I love this space so much. So my office is right off of the entry. What you can see straight across there, well, that'll be all walled up, but that's the garage area. So we have a 3-car garage out there. And then after you pass the first entry, we have like a secondary entry, the best way I can describe it. So again, it goes open to the ceiling above, and that's where the staircase is. So let me back up though. So when we first walk in, we look to the right. There's a little area here. There's gonna be like a mudroom built in on that back wall. And then there's our access from the garage. We have the stairs to the right. And then to the left, we have the dining room. So right next to my office is the dining room. That's gonna have a really fun ceiling in it as well. In the dining room, there is a pathway through to the kitchen, and to the left is the pantry. I have some really fun ideas for this space. It's gonna take some DIY work and probably be a little out of my comfort zone, but I'm gonna try it. And then to the right is the butler station, and I'm gonna make this like the coffee bar. It'll be really fun. So again, here's the way to the stairs, full height to the ceiling, and then there's like another pass through we're gonna walk through. To the left is the opening to the coffee bar or butler station, and you can see the pantry there to the left. To the right is the entry to the guest bathroom. So, you know, the basics, toilet, sink, there. And this is the best part. This is the living room. We have a fireplace in the center all the way up to the ceiling. Huge ceilings in here. One of our favorite features is we opted to have this glass accordion style wall so it can open up all the way and let in the breeze and the light, and we have access to the outdoors, so we can have the indoor-outdoor entertaining area. And then if I turn this way, here is where our kitchen and breakfast nook is going to be. So obviously this is the start of the island here, so the sink will be there. And then we have the fridge here, cabinets along here, stove. And then as we come further over here, there'll be a stacked double oven and microwave. And then we have our breakfast nook area. And then there's a door off the breakfast nook to the backyard as well. And then so here is our outdoor covered patio space. Yes, that is another fireplace. We're really excited about this as well, so we can enjoy the outside with the fireplace. It's all nice and covered. We can have a little dining table outside as well, and some furniture around the fireplace. Here is the view from the breakfast nook to the living room, so you can see that fireplace going all the way up to the ceiling. These 3 things here will be open. It'll just be railing, so that's looking at the second floor, and you can look from the second floor down. And then here's that hallway we just came through to the front door. Now we are going to go towards the laundry and master suite. So we come through here, straight across is the laundry. This will be laundry and an extra fridge, and that connects to the master closet. So I'll show you that when we come back. But here's the entrance to the master. Nice big space. Again, a really fun ceiling feature going on in here. Lots of light, big windows. And then if we walk this way, we'll go into the master bath. So here we will have a vanity and sink, a big floating tub in the center, and another vanity and sink over here. Then we have our toilet room and our big shower. So we'll have a tub and a shower. And then this is the entrance to our closets. They have a his and hers. To the left is a smaller his closet. In the center is a linen closet. Again, I have a really fun idea to do here. Just have to stay tuned for that when I get to it. And then here is the her closet. And I would love to have built-in closet system in here. So maybe one day we'll get towards that. And then here's the door again back to the laundry. Now, you can see there's still rooms outside of this area. That is all an attached one-bedroom apartment for my grandparents to live. So I'll show you that separately, but there's no access to that from our house. So they have their own private entrance to that space. So that's why we're not gonna look at it here, but let's head upstairs. Okay, so first we're walking up towards the loft. So let me take a step back here. We just came up the stairs. There's a big opening here that will be to look down towards the second entry, and then our loft area. A nice big space. I'm gonna kind of make this the kids' space. So a comfy lounge area, TV, toy storage, stuff like that. And then here, this is our media room right off of the loft area. There's no windows in this space for obvious reasons, but this will be a media room. Never had one of those, so that is gonna be a fun addition to this house. And again, my wheels are turning on how I'm gonna make that look really cool. So here are those 3 openings that we saw downstairs. Now you can look over, this will all be metal railing, but you can look down into the living room space, kind of get an idea. Okay, so here's the stairs we came up. Now we're gonna go to the right, and there are 2 bedrooms over here. The first bedroom to the right is our daughter's bedroom. She has a walk-in closet, and obviously you see a tub in here, but she has her own ensuite bathroom. If only I were a kid again. Never had an ensuite bathroom. So much fun. So we made sure that every room in this house had its own private bath. Let me take that back. We made sure every bedroom had its own private bath. Okay, so here it's a little interesting. We're back out by the stairs. We just left that room. There's 2 little steps up, and this goes to a second bedroom, which we're gonna use as our guest room. It's kind of fun that it steps up like that. So again, just a nice big space. Has a window. Here is the private bath for this space. This one has a shower instead of a tub. And then there is a walk-in closet for this room as well. So there is one more room up here that we're going to go to. We're gonna go back towards the loft. I'm gonna go around the loft. Kind of here also, I'm gonna stop here for a second. This will all be railing, but now you can kind of see down into that second entry where the staircase is. And then this is like a double-sided bridge, the one we first saw when we walked in. So we can look left to that space or right to the main entry. So we can continue going straight. Here is the bathroom, sink, toilet, and tub. And then we go this way. And this is the third bedroom upstairs. And this is going to be my husband's office. And this one also has a walk-in closet, but it's a bit smaller. So that's why we made this his office. So my daughter had the bigger closet. And then lots of attic space. There'll be a little door here that will go to the attic space. And then this area is kind of weird, but it's basically like dust collecting shelves above the door. But who knows, maybe I can do something creative for the holidays, stick a Christmas tree up there or something. So you can see it from the street. So that is everything for the upstairs. Let's head back down. Okay, so now we're gonna walk out to the garage so I can show you that attached 1-bedroom apartment. So here's the garage. So this garage will be shared between us and my grandparents, and then we have a door to our house here. They have a door from the garage to their space there, but they also have their very own front entrance, so that's where we're gonna go right now. So this is where their front door will be. And when you walk in, head here will be a little dining table for 2. And this is their living space. They'll have their living room over here. And this whole corner, this L-shaped corner here will be their kitchen. And then to the right, when you walk in, is a bedroom. And then they also have an ensuite bathroom, so they'll have a shower, toilet, and vanity. And then they have a walk-in closet off of the bath. So they'll have their walk-in closet here. And we also had a hookup for a stack washer and dryer. So they will be completely fully hooked up for everything they need in this space. Kitchen, bathroom, laundry. And again, they don't have any access to our home except through maybe the garage and their front door. So that's everything. I hope you enjoyed that walkthrough. I plan on doing many more of these as the process gets closer and closer to being done. But in the process, we're here every weekend to see what's going on. And when things change, then I will show you more. So the next time you'll probably see me is when drywall goes up, because then you'll really be able to see the space a little bit better, and I can talk out some of my design ideas in my head with you guys and get your opinions. But I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough, and I'll see you next time.